How to get musty smell out of your car, detailed guide. Is a musty smell making it difficult for you to enjoy your ride? We understand how it feels and are here to help. In this video, we'll show you how to get that musty smell out of your car in practical steps. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Remove all debris and garbage from your car. Get a trash bag and go through your car, picking up any garbage, wrappers, or empty bottles. Don't forget to check under the seats and in the back seat as well. Remove any items that have been left in the car for an extended period, such as a gym bag or a pair of shoes. Once you have removed all the garbage, it's time to tackle any food or drink spills. Clean any wet or sticky spots on the carpet or upholstery, if any. You can use a clean cloth or a paper towel to blot up as much of the liquid as possible. Avoid rubbing or scrubbing the area. Doing so can spread the stain and make it more difficult to remove. Next, use a cleaning product to remove any remaining stains or odors. You can use a commercial all-purpose cleaner. Alternatively, you can make your own cleaning solution. Just mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Once you have your cleaning solution, spray it onto the affected area. Then, use a clean cloth or soft bristled brush to gently scrub the surface. Be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions for the cleaning product you are using. Vacuum the interior of your car. This step will help remove any dirt, dust, or debris that may be contributing to the odor. Begin by removing any floor mats from the car. Shake them out to remove any loose dirt or debris. If your floor mats are particularly dirty, wash them with a hose and a mild detergent. Then, allow them to air dry. Next, use the vacuum's crevice tool to reach into tight spaces. Examples of such spaces are between the seats and the center console. Pay special attention to areas where dirt and debris may accumulate. This includes under the seats and in the corners of the car. Clean the surfaces of your car. Doing this will help remove any dirt, grime, or other residues that may be contributing to the odor. To start, you'll need an all-purpose cleaner or a vinegar solution. You can create the vinegar solution following the instructions we shared earlier. Next, use the cleaning solution and a microfiber towel to scrub down the dashboard, doors, and other hard surfaces. Ensure you follow the manufacturer's instructions for the cleaning product you are using. If you are using the vinegar solution, make sure the area is well ventilated. When cleaning the dashboard, spray the cleaner or solution onto a microfiber towel. Then, gently wipe down the surface. Be careful not to spray the solution directly onto the dashboard. Doing so can cause damage to the electronics and upholstery. For the doors, use the cleaning solution and a microfiber towel to scrub down both the inside and outside of the doors. Pay attention to the door handles and other high-touch areas. If there are any stubborn stains or grime on the surfaces, use a soft bristled brush to loosen the dirt. Be sure to test the brush on a small, inconspicuous area first. Doing this will ensure that it doesn't cause any damage. After cleaning all the surfaces, use a clean microfiber towel to wipe down any remaining residue. Use an Odor Eliminator spray or sachet. You'll need an Odor Eliminator spray or sachet for this step. There are many options available on the market that you can purchase. Alternatively, you can make your own sachet. Simply fill a small fabric bag with baking soda or activated charcoal. If using a spray, follow the manufacturer's instructions for the product you are using. Typically, you'll need to shake the can well. Then, hold it upright and spray it into the center of your car with the air conditioning on and the windows closed. Allow the spray to circulate through the car for the recommended time. Then, open the doors and let the car air out for a few more minutes before driving. If using a sachet, place it in a cup holder or under a seat. This will allow it to absorb the odors. Be sure to replace the sachet every few weeks. Doing this will ensure that it continues to work effectively. Apart from using an odor eliminator spray or sachet, you can place a small bag of fresh coffee grounds in your car overnight. The coffee grounds will help absorb odors. Allow fresh air into your car. One simple and effective way to get rid of musty smells in your car is to leave it in a sunny area with the windows open. When you want to do this, choose a sunny day with low humidity to air out your car. Ideally, you want the temperature to be warm but not too hot. Excessive heat can damage your car's interior. Find a safe and secure location to park your car where it can receive plenty of sunlight. This could be in your driveway or in a parking lot. Open all of the windows and doors. This will allow fresh air to circulate throughout the interior. If you have a sunroof, open that as well to maximize ventilation. If you have a garage, leave the garage door open to allow sunlight and fresh air to enter. However, make sure your car is secure and that you're not leaving it exposed to potential theft or vandalism. Leave your car in the sun for several hours. Keep an eye on it to make sure everything is safe and secure. This method is particularly effective if your car has been stored in a damp or humid area. It can help dry out any moisture that may be contributing to the odor. This method may not be effective if the musty smell is caused by a more serious issue, such as mold or mildew. In those cases, it's best to consult with a professional to address the problem. Clean or service your air conditioning system. If the musty smell in your car is coming from the air conditioning system, address the issue as soon as possible. This is because the air conditioning system can be a breeding ground for mold, mildew, and other bacteria. These microorganisms can cause health issues and further exacerbate the odor problem. Here are some steps you can take to address a musty smell coming from your air conditioning system. Take note of when the smell is most noticeable. Is it when you first turn on the AC, or does it persist even after the AC has been running for a while? This can help you determine the root cause of the problem. Check your cabin air filter. A dirty or clogged cabin air filter can contribute to a musty smell in your car. So it's important to replace it if necessary. Refer to your car's owner's manual or consult with a mechanic to determine how often the filter should be replaced. Consider having your AC system professionally cleaned. A professional cleaning can help eliminate mold, mildew, and other bacteria that may be contributing to the musty smell. This involves using a special cleaning solution and tools to clean the evaporator coil, drain pan, and other components of the AC system. Consult with an auto repair shop or HVAC professional to schedule a cleaning. Have your AC system serviced regularly. Regular maintenance can help prevent musty smells and other issues from developing in the first place. This includes having the refrigerant levels checked, the system inspected for leaks, and the compressor and other components lubricated as needed. Use an ozone generator. If you've tried all the previous steps and the musty smell in your car still persists, try using an ozone generator. Ozone generators work by breaking down odor molecules, eliminating the source of the smell. When choosing an ozone generator, choose one that is appropriate for the size of your car. Once you have your ozone generator, follow safety guidelines when using it. Ozone can be hazardous if not used properly. So be sure to read the manufacturer's instructions carefully and follow all safety precautions. To use an ozone generator, place it in your car and close all the windows and doors. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for how long to run the generator based on the size of your car. Generally, you'll need to run the generator for a few hours to deodorize the entire car. While the generator is running, don't enter the car. This is important because ozone can be harmful to your health. Once you're done using the generator, wait a few hours before entering the car. This will allow the ozone to dissipate. Ozone generators should only be used as a last resort, as they can be harmful if not used properly. They can also be damaging to certain materials, such as rubber and leather, so be sure to cover any surfaces that may be sensitive to ozone. Use an air freshener. Add a pleasant scent to your car using an air freshener after eliminating the musty smell. There are many types of air fresheners available, such as sprays, clip-ons, and vent sticks. Consider what kind of scent you prefer and what will work best for your car. Consider using a natural air freshener. Many commercial air fresheners contain chemicals that can be harmful to your health. If you're concerned about this, use a natural air freshener. Examples include essential oils or a charcoal air purifying bag. Some people may be sensitive to certain scents or chemicals. So be aware of any potential allergies or sensitivities of people who ride in your car when choosing an air freshener. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.